Hi students, good morning. This is Mrs. Uma Maheshwari. I hope you're all safe at home and enjoying the holidays. We are going to continue the last session. The second chapter for you, Misha solves a mystery. So we have saw half of the part. We are going to see the remaining things. Before going to continue the lesson, just I'll give a quick recap of the previous class. Misha solves a mystery. Misha, first we have started the lesson. Mehta is crying. Misha going to ask why she is crying. She said, I have missed my trinket. Trinket, which means a small piece of gold. So she said, I missed my gold piece of gold, which means a earring, which is in a diamond. Okay, diamond trinket. So she started to investigate about that. She has searched everywhere at home, and she started to investigate everywhere in that. Everybody, those who are coming to that home first, the milkman and the gardener, but they said they don't know anything. Then she has started to inquiry about that to the whole street. Each and everybody in that street are saying they missed something. Miss Meena said, I missed my nose ring. Mr. Ramesh said, a ring you missed. And then Miss Honey said, I missed my shiny hair clip, the worthless shiny hair clip. So we have stopped here. Am I right? Okay. We will continue the lesson. Then Misha go to the last step was old Miss Ratna's house. Okay, she stood at the doorway, starting a fluffy black and white cat purring in her arms. So she is going to the last house in that street. She saw the doorway, stroking a fluffy black and white cat purr on her arms. So she saw the hair of the cat in her hand. While she touching the door, she saw that. Okay, have you lost? Then the lady opened the door and she asked, have you lost anything of last? Miss Ratna asked Misha, not stepping to the house. No point triggering another allergy for cat hair. So the sweet old lady had not lost anything. As they talked, the cat jumped down, ran off. Misha watched at it, climbed the tree, nimble and sat on a branch, staring at her. So she has entered and inquiring about if she missed anything. The old lady said, oh sorry, I won't miss anything. She said, on the time the cat saw Misha and she's frightened about the new person, she has entered the home, so she climbed a tree, nimble, which means easily. Nimbly, which means easily, she climbed the branch and standing at her. Staring at her. Misha started back. An idea formed in her head. Then Misha had an idea immediately. She asked, Miss Ratnam, can you can you show me where your cat sleeps? Okay. Then she asked to Miss Ratna, can you show me the place of your cat sleep? Miss Ratna was taken aback by this strong request. However, she let Misha in. Sneezing almost instantly, Misha followed her to the bedroom where a small bed lay on the floor with a soft towel on it. Okay, then she asked Ratna, can you show me the place for your cat always sleeping? Because of her request, she allowed Misha to go inside come inside the house, and she saw the place that is a small place covered with a towel. But she has an allergy, animals fur allergy. So she's sneezing, but she has to find out the solution for that problem, So she has entered the home and saw that place. Misha lifted a towel gently, and there they were: a small diamond earring, a silver tie pin, a ring, a shiny hair clip, and a gold nose ring, all hidden under the towel. When Misha lifted the towel, she was surprised and saw that a small diamond earring, a shiny tie pin, a ring, a shiny hair clip, gold nose ring. So in the whole street, the persons all are said, I have missed this one, that one. All the things are there. Then, oh my goodness, said a shocked Miss Ratna. Whose things are these? How did they get here? Miss Ratna was shocked and she said, oh, whose things this is? How it's come into my house? She was surprised and shocked. Misha smiled between her sneeze. Your naughty ball of fur has been stealing things from everyone, she said. So Misha, between her sneezing with a smile, she said, your naughty ball of the cat. Okay, ball of fur means which means a pushy cat. Ball of fur has been stealing things from everyone. So this is not belongs to you. Your cat steals all the things from everybody's home, she said. Stealing? Repeated Miss Ratna, even more horrified. My little Ruffles is not a thief. She said, stealing? No, no, no. My little Ruffles, which means the name of the cat is Ruffles. My little Ruffles is not a thief. Oh, no, no. My cat is not a thief. I think she loves shiny things, consoled Misha. Okay, so trying to console Misha, she said, maybe my cat loves shiny things. She climbs up pipes and gets into the people's bedroom. She then looks around and bring back anything sparkly and bright. I'm sure Ruffles does not mean to steal. Okay, she said, okay, I understood, ma'am. Your Ruffles simply climb the pipes because cats have a capacity to climb the trees easily. In the same way, Ruffles also climb the pipes and enter the room and it's searching everywhere. What is the thing is glittering or it looks so bright? It's check out from that place. But it's not. The animal did not think I'm stealing. Okay, it's the animals don't have that sense, you know. That's why she said, "I'm sure your Ruffles does not mean to steal." Ruffles' secret stash of treasure was written to their grateful owners. Okay, Ruffles' secret stash, which means a store or supply or something usually keep hidden. Okay, so those the things are hidden by somebody's to give to the particular persons to the right time. Okay, you are the cleverest detective that I have seen, said Miss Mehta happily. So Miss Mehta said happily. She got her earring, you know, trinklets back. She said, you are the cleverest detective I have seen, she said. Okay, it was just panic logic. It was just plain logic, said Misha modestly. When I searched your room, I began to sneeze from an allergy, but sneeze, okay? I began to sneeze from an allergy, but you do not have any animals, and I could not figure out what I was allergic to. When I saw Ruffles, I suspected that she might have visited your room, and the fur that she had left behind made me sneeze. See, when it's a simple logic, her friend said, oh, you are the cleverest detective ever I have seen, she said. Then Misha started to explain. Just it's a simple logic, okay? Because when I have searched everywhere in your room, I have started sneezing because of that animal's allergy, and also you don't have any pet animals with you. In your room also you don't have. So when I saw the Ruffles, which means the cat, I have started the same allergy. So I thought that is the animal. The cat only entered your room and she steal your things and which makes me to sneeze. So this is a end of the story. I hope you understood the story. I'll give you some exercises. Try it. If you have any doubts, ask me through group. Thank you, children.